Okay, let's complete activity 2. It says materials. We need our pan balance. We need grams, which I have my paper clips. And then I also found these in the science closet. They're little bricks, plastic bricks. The yellow one is 5 grams. The orange one is 10 grams. You'll see it's a little thicker. And then I have one that's 20 grams. And then I have my kilograms still, just in case. And then we need some classroom objects. So I have a stapler, a pair of scissors, a marker, and a crayon. Those are the classroom objects that I have. It says find the mass. This is step 2. Oh, sorry. Let's do step 1. Use the objects in the table. Decide if the object should be measured in grams or kilograms. Step 2. Find the mass of each object to the nearest gram or kilogram. Place the object on one side of the balance. Place gram or kilogram masses on the other side until both sides are balanced. Step 3. Add the measures of the gram or kilogram masses. This is the mass of the object. Record the mass in the table. So it says on our table, it's the one with the purple header, it says mass. And then it has a lighter purple that says object, unit, and mass. And then we have crayon, stapler, marker, and scissors. So here's what we're going to do. We are going to find the mass of each of these. So let's start with our crayon. I have an orange crayon. I'm going to put it in the red pan. You'll notice that my scale has moved down here, my needle moved. And I need to figure out if I want to measure that with grams or kilograms. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start with kilograms. Because if I get rid of the largest unit that I have, then I can slowly add in all of my smaller units. So let's see if a crayon is the same as a kilogram. No, not even close. The red side is much higher, and we want them to be balanced. So we know that a crayon weighs less than a kilogram. So I'm going to take that out. Let's try the next biggest unit, which is a 20-gram unit. If I put that in there, nope. It is less than 20 grams because my red pan is still much higher than my yellow one. So I need to go down in grams. So let's go to the next largest. That would be a 10-gram unit. I'm going to put that in there. Nope, that's still too heavy for my crayon because the red pan is higher. It means that the crayon weighs less than 10 grams. Now I have one of my yellow 5-gram counters. Ooh, not as big of a move. Let's give it a second. See if our scale balances or if we need to add 1 gram at a time from here. This process takes a little bit of time. Let's see what happens. It looks like it's pretty balanced. See how my needle is in the center right here? Oh, I touched it. See if we can slow it down again. So it looks like our crayon is balanced at 5 grams. Write that in your journal or on a piece of paper so you can record it after this video. We used 1 5-gram unit. So the mass of my crayon is 5 grams. All right, let's try another one. I'm going to empty out my scale, take out my crayon, and next up we have the stapler. Do you think the stapler weighs grams or kilograms? I'm not sure, but it's on the red side. So, same process. I'm going to start with my largest mass, which is 1 kilogram. Let's see what happens. No, 1 kilogram is more. So we are going to need to take that one out and try with grams. Here we go. I'm taking this one out. Let's see if we can add some grams. I'm going to start with a 20 gram, which is my next biggest. Well, it has more mass than 20 grams. Let's try another 20 gram. So now I have 40 grams. Nope. Going to be more than 40. Here's another 20. That's 60 grams. It's more than 60. Hang on. Let me get some more 20 gram units. Okay. Here's some more 20 gram units. Nope. I'm going to keep adding them until it starts to move. Still not moving. All right. I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 140 grams so far. And I'm out of those big 20 gram units. So I'm going to start adding tens. There's 10, 20, 30. Make more room. 40, 50, 60. Oh, gonna need more. I'm hoping I brought enough units. There's another 10, and another 10, and another 10. Just gonna add all my 10s. See what happens. Because I can always take some away if it's too heavy. Oh, we have movement. See how my stapler went up? That means I have too much mass over here, so I need to take some off. Let's take it off 10 at a time. There's 10. Oh. If I add that one back on, it's too heavy. So I'm going to take off my 10, and I'm going to add a 5 and see if that does it. Nope, not quite. Okay. If I added another 5, that would be the same as adding a 10, and we know that that's too much. So I'm going to do one paper clip at a time because a paper clip is 1 gram. Ooh, even just that one little paper clip made the mass change. How are we doing? I added 2 paper clips. We're looking pretty good. How's our needle? We're getting close, but not quite there. Let's add 1 more paper clip. I think that's about balanced. Awesome. So now I know the mass of my stapler. Let's count up our units. I'm going to take this out, and I'm going to count up my units. So in the 20 gram units, I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140 grams. So I have 140 grams. I'm going to write that down so I don't forget. In my 20 gram units. Let's see how many I have in my 10s. So in my 10 gram units, I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110 grams. I'm going to write that down so I don't forget. And then I have 1 5 gram unit. So that's 5. And then I have 3 paper clips. My 3 paper clips. So that's 3 grams. So if I add all that up, 0 and 0 is 0, plus 5 is 5, plus 3 is 8. 4 and 1 is 5, 1 and 1 is 2. So my stapler is 258 grams. That is the mass of my stapler, 258 grams. That's pretty cool. All right, we have 2 more things on our list, so let's keep going. Saying goodbye to my stapler. And next up, we have my handy dandy marker. All right, should we measure it with a kilogram or with grams? Do you think that marker has more mass or less mass than the stapler? I think it has less mass as well. So we're going to start with grams. Let's see if it's 20 grams. Nope, 20 grams is too big. See how the red side went up on my pan balance? That means that this is lighter and this is heavier, has more mass. So it's not going to be a 20 grammer. Let's try 10. Well, it's more than 10. See how the red pan is down and the yellow pan is up? So let's try a 5 gram. Because if I added another 10 gram, that's the same as 20. And we've already proven 20 is too big. So we have a 10 and now we have a 5. Ooh. That might be it. Let's check our thing. Is it even? Sorry, trying to get a good angle so I can see it. That looks pretty even. Let's see if we can add 1 gram. See if that makes it better. I'm looking at my pans. Let's see if they are balanced. Nope, I think that gram did it. I think it put us over. So I'm pretty sure that my marker is 15 grams. I used one 10 gram unit and one 5 gram unit, and my marker pan is balanced. So my marker is 15 grams. I have one orange and one yellow. So a 10 and a 5. Add those together, I get 15 grams of mass. All right, one more to go, and that would be our scissors. Here are my scissors. I'm going to put them in my red pan. Here. So, do we think that scissors have more mass or less mass than our stapler? So far, our stapler had the most mass of anything. So when I touch these together, they feel similar. I don't know. They feel kind of similar. The scissors might be a little bit less. So I think I'm still going to go with grams to measure the mass of my scissors. So let's start with 20 grams. Because our stapler was 258 grams, I'm going to try a whole bunch of grams. So 20, 40, 60, 80. I'm going to try 100 grams and see what happens. 100 grams is too much. So let's take out 20. Now it's too little. So 100 grams is too much. 80 grams is too little. So let's add an orange one, which is 10, and we'll try 90 grams. That's still not enough. So now we're adding 5s. 5 grams is too much. So we're going to take that out, and we'll do 1 gram at a time. So far we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90 grams. Here's 91. Nope. 92. Ooh, that's looking pretty good. Might take one more paper clip, which is 1 gram. Here's 93. See if we can get it to quit wobbling. Is my needle even? No, it is not. My needle is pointing towards the red, which means the yellow is too heavy. So I'm taking that last paper clip out. See if I can get my scale to quit moving. There we go. We are even. So I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 92 grams of mass for my scissors. I had 4 20-gram units, 1 10-gram unit, and 2 1-gram units. So I'll add all that up. We get 92 grams of mass for our scissors. This is how we measure mass. Your next few problems, the next problem you need to do on this page is to write the objects in order from greatest mass to least mass. There you go. Those are my hints. So write your objects in order from greatest to least mass, and then you need to decide how you would measure certain things? Would you use kilograms, which was heavier than everything we had, or would you use grams? Make sure to check your work. I hope this makes sense. If not, please let me know.